Imagine you have a magical force that can pull things closer or push them away without even touching them. That's what magnets do. But how do they work this magic? Let's dive into the world of magnets and discover their mysteries. First, let's talk about what magnets do. Magnets can attract certain metals, like iron. Have you ever seen a refrigerator door covered with those colorful magnets holding notes and pictures? That's the magnet attracting the metal in the refrigerator. Magnets have two poles called the North Pole and the South Pole. Think of these poles like the ends of a superhero's magnet wand. The North Pole of one magnet attracts the South Pole of another magnet, but the North Pole repels another North Pole, just like how superheroes sometimes team up and sometimes clash. The secret behind a magnet's magic lies in tiny particles inside called atoms. Each atom acts like a tiny magnet with its own north and south poles. When these atoms line up in the same direction, they create a strong magnetic effect. Now, let's drift back a bit in history. Long ago, an ancient civilization called the Greeks found a rock that could attract iron. They named it magnetite because it could magically pick up things. This discovery led scientists to explore and eventually understand today's magnets. But here's a fun twist. Not all materials can be turned into magnets. Only ferromagnetic materials like iron, cobalt, and nickel have atoms that can align their poles. Other materials just don't have the same kind of atom teamwork. In a world full of science and wonder, magnets are an important tool. From compasses that guide sailors across the sea to keeping our refrigerator doors closed, magnets are truly fascinating. There's still more to explore about magnets, like how electricity can create magnetic fields, but that's a story for another day. So, the next time you see a magnet doing its magic, remember those tiny atoms all lining up, creating an invisible force that pulls things close or pushes them away. Magnets may not have superhero capes, but they sure have superpowers hidden within.